Storm Team 4 with Central Ohio's most accurate forecast.
Well, we had that wind overnight. We had a big drop in temperature. We're ready for it to go up a little bit.
And stay up.
And stay up.
It'll take a little while. But, I mean, how many seasons can we go through in like 48 hours? I think we go from spring to summer. Now we're going back to winter. We'll work our way back to spring.
We had a little fall.
And a little fall in between. Yeah, and a little snowflakes may fall too on April Fool's Day morning. And Window Nation tower camera tonight, not shaking in the wind. Last night we had 40 to 60 mile per hour winds right when we were trying to fall asleep or stay asleep between about 1 and 4 in the morning as a little boundary came through with some showers and they evaporated, but that extra cool air from evaporation led to pulses of powerful winds. Not so tonight. Southwest at 15 miles per hour, 41 degrees. Severe weather now marching off the Atlantic coast. We've had numerous thunderstorm and tornado warnings. We had tornadoes and damaging winds all the way from Louisiana to the Florida Panhandle. That's also happened last week during the middle of the week. And then some of these storms spawned tornadoes and strong winds from Pennsylvania and southern New York down to North Carolina, about 30 in all. So very active weather pattern. Now we're getting cooling rain showers. You can see the low pivoting off to the northeast and down the St. Lawrence River Valley. But see how two systems are coming together to sweep first rain and then a wintry mix and eventually a changeover to snow overnight. And in fact, you can see the snow now flying in Chicagoland and into northwest Indiana. So this is what we'll be greeted with tomorrow morning, all because the jet stream has decided to take an April Fool's Day plunge. But again, it's these strong systems, and that creates a lot of wind and that severe weather because of the clash of seasons, cold and warm air. And as these disturbances come together, we're going to see hopefully our last blast of winter. Snow showers could even coat elevated areas. Surface temperature should be above freezing for the morning commute, but the higher the elevation where you live, you might see some snow on the grass briefly tomorrow morning. A chilly weekend, a couple of showers Saturday night, but all in all, not too bad a weekend with a rebound. But it's already 36 in Delaware, still 41 in Columbus, but even Chillicothe down to 37 degrees. Last night at midnight, it was 74, which is incredible. And now we have wind chills in the 20s and 30s, and the winds at least are starting to subside a little bit. You can see how warm we were, but that was at midnight. And here is the colder air, but it's going to be a fast-moving pocket of cold air, not nearly as long-lasting as some of our other cold snaps. But see, our model continues to paint a quarter to a half inch of snow in bands. Some areas will have nothing. Other spots, again, higher terrain, both south and north of Columbus. You can see the ground dusted by that band of snow showers. Should taper off quickly by mid-morning. And then temperatures hard-pressed to get above 40 degrees, a little late-day clearing, 43. And then after a cold start on your Saturday, clouds roll in again with some late-day showers, but those showers should move on out as we get into Sunday, so that's good news. So here's your forecast for the overnight hours, 34 degrees with that light coating of snow on grassy surfaces. Then for the day on Friday, clearing late after a wintry start to the first day of April, 43, 51 Saturday, rain overnight, dry Sunday and Monday, and another wet weather system with milder temperatures and storms beginning on Tuesday.